Hi, and thank you for choosing CardStudio 2.0. This video explains how to print the card serial number on a card. To use encoding features, you need the CardStudio 2.0 Professional Edition. Start Design Studio and create a card that contains the card serial number as part of the layout. Create a new card design or use an existing card design. In this video, we use an existing card design. This example shows the back of the card. The card serial number needs to be a dynamic field. Create one by using the Dynamic Fields element. Place the serial number on the design. Use the text element, click on the back of the card, go to Element Properties, and add the card serial number dynamic field to the text box. The card design is now set up with the card serial number. Save the card design. To be able to print the card serial number on the back, go to Print Studio. Open an existing project in Print Studio with records, card designs, and a CCI encoding file connected. In this example, we use a CCI file set up for MyFair Classic. Check out the videos with the tutorials on how to create CCI files for different types of smart cards. It is important to use an encoding file setup for the type of smart card you read the card serial number from. Add the card design to the project. Select Card Designs in Project Settings and add the card design to the existing project. After adding the card design, bind the dynamic fields to the correct project data columns in the Bindings pop-up window. In case of binding a card serial number, Print Studio offers an extra option in the drop-down menu at the end of the list that requires encoding. Bind the card serial number dynamic field to the cursive Card Serial Number requires encoding in the drop-down menu. Click OK, followed by Save. Print the card with its serial number after selecting one or more records connected to the card design.